So today we have comparison the Harman Kardon against the Xiaomi. So the Harman Kardon has more clarity. The Xiaomi, the base is a lot better, but also the Xiaomi has more body because of this. So it's also pretty clear that it will win on the base side. But on the brightness, there's definitely more on the Harman Kardon. It's more clearer sound, and on loudness, they both are pretty similar when we talk about loudness. So without further ado, here are a few samples and enjoy them. For me, the winner on lower price is the Xiaomi. If you want something that is built better, the Harman Kardon for sure.
We met by the cold break. You left in my last name tag. Said you look more like trouble. Whatever's printed there. Cheap wine in a paper cup. Slow songs, but we're speeding up. Your phone buzzes, you turn it down slow. Tell me why you're really here. You're my late tag. Something I was never looking for, but now I kinda need you. Been on my heart like before. You're my late tag. Strangers to feather on the temple wind, white dust on the sandals thin, gold paint on your quiet grin, jade beads resting on your skin. You move like a story told in a tongue that the stones still hold. Oh, every breath from your flute begins another dawn on these old red roofs. You move like a story told across the carved and painted fold. Let the feather on the temple wind write our names in the light again. Corn husks drying by the door. Smoke. Lay right, screens glow on your profile side. You lie, and the whole backseat turns high. Loose hair falling in my favorite way. You say don't catch feelings, then you stay. You got me lost in your velvet circus. Heart rate flickers when you come through. Static in my chest when you serve that look. It's every little glitch pulling me to you. Velvet circuit, running every system I knew. I was running from a crash, now I'm crashing into you. Top floor, shoes off. 刻在眼前注影下，枯萎未散，似你临行一句话，纸窗漏日光，斑斑点在旧记上，当初少年郎，明知聚散这样凉。
浮生不过一盏茶，任是莫等凉了叹芳华。
你说人心易变，我偏要记住你说话。
情感最后微涩，当作你回头看我一下。
浮生不过一盏茶，饮把放下也算潇洒。尽是逍遥，余生敲碎前尘梦。灯火几盏，因你酒意当酒容。开头门月暗，何曾照见你惊鸿？转山风一
Pasaj kapanmış, demir kepenk, çizik içi. Biz kaldık içeride, 3 sandalye birde, gri gece. Kağıt bardak, bayat çay, duvarlarda eski afişler. Sen kül tablası çeviriyorsun, ben ceplerimi, yalanları. Pasaj gecesi, kimse bilmez pasaj. Coffee in a chipped up cup, boot prints by the back door up. The sun leaks through the dusty blinds. Same old song stuck in my mind. They're still dust.